Lesson 1 on digit psychology. Okay, decide document because I realized something, that if I send the link this week, you join this week and you are not in last week's sections, you get confused. That's why I decided that I'll document from section A to Z, about digit psychology in depth. So make sure that you're following these tutorials, because you will be learning a lot when it comes to digit psychology. Okay, so let's first define what is digit psychology. Okay, and in a layman's explanation, I'll say that this okay means that it is a formula that is being followed for these digits to be generated. Okay, what is that plan that Deriv is giving you, that Deriv as in the algorithm that allows a digit to be generated? That is what we call the digit psychology. So it's always good to understand that the digits, yes, they are random, but we have defined and we have proven strategies that are there to at least bring you closer to your entry points. Okay, closer to your wins. Now I need us first to agree on something, that these circles that you can see here, you can see this is over under. Green bar digit is 9. If you go to even odd, the green bar digit is 9, and if you go to differs matches, the green bar digit still is 9. Okay, that tells you that these digits zote 0 up to 9 can be traded for any contract as far as it is the digit contract or markets. So 0 up to 9, we have the distributions that you can see in terms of percentage, and different digits, okay, add up these, they should add up to at least 100%. Okay, they should add up to 100%. Now let's first understand these digits and what they signify or what they tell us. Now the digit with the green color, okay, the green bar, okay, digit 9, that digit has the highest percentage. Okay, ukiangalia iko 11.8 in this example. Okay, now in this case, that digit, it is the most common. Okay, it is the digit that has appeared many times in this percentage distribution. Now digit number 2 is the digit with the blue color. Okay, that digit with the blue color, it is the second highest digit in percentage. Okay, and so after the green digit, you go to the blue digit. Now we have, now on the lower side of the percentages, we have the red digit and the yellow digit. Now the red digit is the least appearing. Hiyo digit ndo imeapia mara chache sana in this distribution. Okay, now the reason why we can see this from a glance, okay, immediately we learned on our analysis, especially if you are doing analysis on the different traders, because I have made it easier for you. Then lastly, we have the digit with the yellow color, the second least appearing. Okay, the second least appearing, or the second digit with the second least percentage. Okay, so those digits that you have heard me talk about, they determine what you call the market strength. Now the two digits, that is the blue and the green digit that you can see, we call them the market movers. Okay, they determine which part of this market, which part of this digit is strong for us to make, or for you also to make a choice that you want to trade even because of this strength. I want to trade over 5 because of this strength. Now when it comes to now the psychology behind this, anywhere any placement where you see that we have the green bar, okay, the most appearing digit, okay, that market or that contract or that part is presumed, okay, it is given a thought that that part is strong, and you can always think of winning from that angle. Now, another thing, you must understand that when it comes to the digits getting powered, increasing in percentage, these digits get to what we call a limit, okay? Understand that? So digit 9 will not stay there having the green bar for long. Digit 1 will take charge, meaning that if, for example, you were trading over 5 and then now you realize that the most appearing digit is shifting to the under, okay, you realize that the unders are now gaining percentage, and the market mover green will definitely give you a strong win on the under if you are on the over. That's how you should always be thinking. Now, disclaimer, there are times when these markets will definitely give you a reversal, okay? You have a very good strategy that you're using, and then immediately you experience what is happening, like right on this part, whereby the percentages are on the green bar and the blue bar, okay, those digits being on the opposite of each other, let's say over and under 5, you realize that the percentages are closer. That market will definitely give you a loss, okay, if you trade not considering the reversal. Now, what you consider, okay, from today, I need you to do this. Ukipata market inakaa hivi, let's say you are trading over 5 or over 4 or over 3, okay, you see the green bar is below your prediction 5, for example, and the blue bar digit is above, you will go to the third most appearing digit, okay, in percentage. Uangalie iko wapi. So after the green, the blue bar, we have another digit, okay, that is 10.4, 10.5. It's here. It's also below your prediction 5. So still the under 5 market is dominant. Hata kama the red, the blue bar is still above. Kama the third most appearing would be here, and also the blue bar digit above 5 still, we would consider now trading over 5 instead of under 5. So I've said that you consider the blue bar digit, the green bar digit, and the third most appearing digit, okay, in percentage. So you must always be very much conscious. You can see digit 3 becomes now the third most appearing in this setup. So under 5 still dominant, despite us having the blue bar above digit 5, okay, above digit 5. Now the markets are now shifting, and you can see now 1 and 9, they are competing in terms of percentage. Now the digit psychology concept is very deep and very wide to be understood. So it is you to take your time and have a good study of whatever I've just told you, that you will consider the 3 digits before you make a choice. The placement of the green bar, the placement of the blue bar, and then the placement of the third most appearing digit. Mali hiko, that market becomes relevant and still can be traded. Now, when you consider the least appearing digits, okay, that is digit 8 and 0, those digits are at their lowest percentage. Now, in terms of percentage distribution, those 2 digits are the lowest. They have appeared the least times in this percentage distribution, okay. Now, do not ignore these 2 digits, okay. These 2 digits still in fact, what can happen to them, okay, the best that can happen to them is percentage increase, is to appear more, because we presume, we assume that these digits appearing in these 20 last tick, okay, appearing in these 1,000 ticks, okay, these digits must, in capital letters, it's a prediction, it's an assumption, okay, must appear same time, okay, okay, number of times, okay, not same time, but number of times that these digits must appear must be the same, okay. So that's why at any given time when we are giving the strategy on the matches, we will say that because digit 1 is the most appearing, okay, still it has the highest chances of appearing. So if a digit becomes very visible in the market, still now the robot or the cursor can always pick it from the rest, and then that digit still, remember, if a cursor the cursor touches any digit, we have that assumption that that digit can always become the exit or our winning digit, okay. That is one of the best things that you must understand when it comes to these digits that have been generated. Now the price here is the same as the cursor, okay. So you can see the last digit here, cursor moved to 7, the price still is here. You can see it's 2, it's 3, it's 2 again, it's 4, it's 3, okay. So the price and the cursor movement are the same, and now this brings us to a very simple conclusion that still when you look at the prices while you are on the charts, okay, you can still identify which digit is being generated, and then you can always make a choice, okay. So we decided to tackle these sections here because I do not want to confuse people. We have a section this week, and then a new lot joins this week. You are not there last week. Now I find myself repeating. So with this, I can do it consistently, and with this, I can always drive a point home. Now you can see the market has shifted to the under 5. So we can say from this simple observation that the under 5 market is strong, okay, compared to the over 5. So the upper part, 0 up to 4, in our observation, we can see that that upper part is strong compared to the lower part, 5 up to 9, that even you can see from the percentages, those percentages are weak, okay, they are very low, okay, 5, 10.2, 9.6, and you can see the unders have 10.2, 10.6, 11.3, 11.4. So this is how you can always identify these markets that you need to trade, okay. Now another thing, remember of the times when the markets now are getting powered. If you see, for example, the green bar is on digit 3, but you can see a digit above 5 getting a pop-up of the green color, okay, of the green bar, you understand something, and that is a signal, it is a sign that the markets are about to reverse. If, okay, in capital letters, if that digit above 5 that is popping up in percentage still now keeps increasing in percentage, you can always know that the markets are about to reverse. I'll be tackling on the reversals, and this is section 1, okay, section A of digit psychology class 1, okay, because now I said that the section is very wide, and I'll definitely explain it in depth because we have just started, and I'll document everything about digit psychology until now you understand, and you can always make an informed decision, and you can always trade on your own. Remember, my main reason and purpose is to create real and independent traders, okay. real and independent traders. Okay, so take your time and study. Okay, just take your time and see. Okay, I've been told about digits above this percentage at any given time. Okay, you realize that digits are above 10% and they are on your, let's say, under 5, you'll definitely know that the under 5 is strong. So digits above 10%, okay, are presumed, okay, are assumed that those digits, those parts that they are in, those parts are strong, and those parts can always give you wins. They can always give you wins. Okay, now you can see the under 5 here, very strong, and I would comfortably execute the contract under 5 on volatility 15. Let me go here, Prof V1, volatility 15. Let's do it. Under, let's do under. I'll stick with 50, then I'll do 5. I'll trade under 5, and I'll just take 2 runs to at least explain my point. I think, which volatility was that? Was it 15 or it was 15? Okay, I think it's 15 because the blue bar, the green bar, zote ziko below that. Oh, it's 15. Sorry, nilikuwa nimeenda 50 hata 15. So let's see now. Even if you are very new in trading, with that little knowledge, you can always execute a market. Now, I'll talk about the entry points, but on this, I want to prove that the under 5 is strong. So I will enter the markets with 2 over 5 digits when they are touched by the cursor. So if the cursor touches, let's say 9 and let's say any 2 digits above 5 consecutively, 9 and 7, I can join and comfortably tell you that the under 5 stop is strong. Okay, signified by my blue bar and my green bar digits being below still, and then my digit 0 and 1 being above 10%. Okay, digit psychology lesson 1 done.